Let's shift over to the Slider Tools, Format tab. By now, you should be seeing some familiar sections in the ribbon. This is one of the things Storyline users love about the software package, the consistent look across Storyline. You know where to find the tool, and the tools will look and act the same every time they appear. The Format tab will have 5 sections: Thumb Styles, Track Styles, Arrange and Align, Size and Position, and Publish. Before we begin discussing each section, we need to identify what the thumb and the track are. The thumb is the pointer and the item the learner will drag along the slider, while the track appears behind the thumb and shows the range of the slider. Think of it as an audio board that a sound engineer will use to adjust the balance of each track. The fader is raised above the board, and the engineer uses his fingers to increase or decrease the impact of that specific channel. The sounds engineer's fader is your slider's thumb, and the track is what the area the fader is set into on the soundboard. The first thing you will see in the thumb styles is the drop-down menu showing the different pre-programmed thumbs. When you select the down arrow, a drop-down menu will open showing 9 different color options based on the theme's colors. Each color will have 6 different options for the thumb's look. If you don't like the color options, you can select the color you want with the thumb fill. If you select the icon, Storyline will change the thumb's color to the color in the icon. But if you select the down arrow, you will see the color selector window. You can use the palette at the top of the window to select the color, or you can enter the HTML, hex, or RGB value for the exact shade you want. You can also change the fill to a picture, apply a gradient, or add transparency to the fill. The same options are then available with the thumb border. You will only have 2 options for the thumb effects: shadow and glow. The next section is the track styles. Again, you will have a drop-down menu showing the different pre-programmed styles based on the theme colors. You will also have the same ability to select and change the track's fill and border to a different color. Like the thumb styles, you will only be able to choose a shadow or glow effect. Reflections and soft edges will be grayed out. You will again see the Arrange and Align section, allowing you to give the slider priority over other objects on the slide, grouping the slider with other objects so you can move them as a single item to a different location on the slide, and rotating or flipping the slider. There is a slight difference between this tab size and position and other tabs. This tab will only show the width and height for the slider. If you want to input the exact position, you will need to open the Size and Position pop-up window. And just like all of the other tabs, when you look to the last section on the tab, you will see the Publish section, allowing you to preview the all of, or a portion of, the lesson, or to publish the lesson so others can view it.